don't think people really understand the RPM difference between short and long videos. Believe me, it's not just a difference of 20 or 30%, it's a huge one. Let me explain you what I am talking about. Take a look at this channel. This ASMR long video has an RPM of approximate $1.50, which means this video with 6.6 million views would have generated some way near $9,900. Now take a look at this short video which in the same niche has an RPM of 5 cents, so if you do the math with 205 million views, this short would have generated some way near $1,000. I think now you get the idea of the difference between RPM of short videos and normal videos. But hold on, that doesn't mean short videos are completely useless. In this video I would be telling the dark truth about YouTube Shorts which no content creator would ever do. I'll share what happened with me and many other video creators who learned this lesson the tough way. This information is just for you, so that you don't waste your time and energy. After listening this, you will have all the answers to your questions whether you should start a long channel or a short video channel. Last year, I started a YouTube channel with a simple goal, to make money. I knew how much money YouTubers were making, and I wanted to jump right in. People were talking about how YouTube Shorts were the next big thing. So, I made a brilliant plan. I'd upload longer videos twice a week and throw in short videos every day. In the back of my head, I was thinking that as long as I am attracting both audience to same topics, my channel audience would grow fast and they all would be interested in the same thing. I thought that this strategy would increase my views twice, and I would get monetized very fast. But, spoiler alert, it didn't go as I planned. My first long video I uploaded got 21 views, but my short videos were doing way better. One of them even got a few thousand views, which was super encouraging. I knew longer videos would help me get to monetization more fast, so I really focused on them and I spent days editing my long-form videos with captions, hooks, title and thumbnail, and finally, after weeks of hard work, my first long video finally took off and got 19,000 views. At the same time, now my short videos were gaining a few thousand views consistently, getting a few hundred subscribers. By seeing this little success, I thought, it's way easier to hit the money-making goals with shorts than with longer videos. So, I focused on making and posting awesome shorts, thinking I could get monetized in just a few weeks. On the other hand, for long-form content, I came down to post one video per week. My plan was working fine and my subscribers were now increasing at a fast pace. But here's where things took a big turn. After following this strategy, whenever I posted long content, no matter what I did, I couldn't cross my views par 150. Although my thumbnails were good and I put a lot of effort into scripts, hooks and editing. But then I discovered a crucial problem. My average view duration, AVD, was terrible. It was below 35% of the video. I realized the issue wasn't my content, it was my audience. Subscribers from my YouTube Shorts had short attention spans. The people who subscribed from Shorts preferred short content. If you post both short and long videos on YouTube, you attract two different types of viewers. The issue here is that people who enjoy watching YouTube Shorts want quick satisfaction. They have a short attention span of about 30 to 50 seconds and then move on to the next video. When you attract these viewers, along with those who like to watch longer videos, it creates a problem for your channel. Let me explain why. Let's say you have a channel which gained 50,000 subscribers from short videos. When you would post a long video, only a small fraction of those who subscribe from shorts end up watching your longer videos. Even if they do, they would probably watch just for about 1 to 2 minutes max, because they are people with short attention span. This will cause your AVD, average view duration, drop down, and if your own subscribers don't watch much of your video, the algorithm thinks your video isn't great, and YouTube stops promoting it to a larger audience, leaving you with no views. I'm not the only one who had struggled through this situation. Even some super successful short creators, like MD Motivator, don't get the same engagement on their longer videos, but his short videos are reaching millions of views. On the flip side, Mr. Beast, the king of YouTube, gave up on posting YouTube Shorts after trying just 31 of them. His long videos gets billions of views. It got me thinking why so many channels are promoting to push YouTube Shorts without a heads up about the potential risks. Even I myself have posted videos on how to make money through shorts. The only reason is they're doing it for the money, and they know shorts and long together could hurt their own channel, but they don't want to tell you about it. Now, I'm not saying YouTube Shorts are always bad. In fact, they can be profitable, especially in certain niches like history or cooking and many more. But if you do this to an educational channel, it will not work. That's why I don't upload short videos to this channel anymore. If you're thinking of starting a YouTube Shorts channel, go for it. They can be a quick way to make money. But what I'm trying to say is, don't go for shorts and long together from scratch. If I go back, I would never try to do both types of content together from scratch, because it is like setting yourself up for failure. But if you already have a large following on your channel from longer videos, then you can go for short videos too, on the same channel, because this will help you get some extra bucks out of it. That's all for today's video. I hope you found this information helpful and insightful. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button, it really makes a difference. Until next time, stay creative, and I'll catch you in the next video. Take care, bye.